Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are unboxing this one. I bought from Jollibee, but mommy buy it for me. Asan yung what for me at the awarding? After the awarding, I'm not talking about at the AVR, but inside. Make sure to like and subscribe this channel if you want more of these videos. I wonder what I get. Maybe I will get Hello Kitty or My Melody, Kurumi or Cinnamoroll, Pupumpurin or Puchaku. I wonder if I get Hello Kitty or My Melody. I got Cinnamoroll. Oh my god. How to assemble? Ooh. This sounds interesting. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa! Actually, what the Sigma? This one fell. Oh my god. I'm so excited though. Duh, why, bro? Why is this? Actually, bro, what? I don't know how to assemble this, but actually why?
Son. Son.
Okay, then finally,
Son.
just poke it in maybe.
Busy na ka na.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. OMG! Wow! Sorry if it's legally. Dunggoye, dunggoye. Yeah, dunggoye, dunggoye. So that's it for today, guys. Bye-bye.